Alright, so we're working on an i8 today. We're gonna hear the stock exhaust so you guys can hear it. That's the stock exhaust, so you guys can barely hear it. Alright, let's put this new exhaust on. Let's get it. All right, first step, you gotta remove the engine cover here. This is where the engine's at. And it has a few bolts, screws here. And it slides right out. There you go, there's your engine there. A little dusty, but we're gonna clean that up. Let's get it. All right, next we're gonna remove that cover that was covering the engine bay, and we access the connectors for the plug connectors for the O2 sensors, which you have to take off. I might have to take off this pipe here, but I'm gonna lift up the car and see what how they're set up down there. So let's get it. All right, with the car up in the air, we can access all of these panels here. Might have to take this off, so we can get access to this, but we're gonna check it out first to remove all this stuff right here. Let's get it. All right, guys, so we took the undercovers off, and the big one here that covers this whole entire bottom piece. A lot of dirt came down. Now we can access the cat and all the bolts. We're gonna heat up these bolts here to get them out, because they're all rusted up. So gotta heat them up to get them out. So this is the piece that came off, all these pieces, and this big undercarriage cover here. So let's get it. All right, guys, so we removed the exhaust from the actual car. Little pain in the butt, because you have to remove, there's a cover here, a shield, disconnect that connector for the Valvetronic over here. There's that piece. And then you have to remove, there's 3 spots where it's been held by. And also you got to take this out from there. And now we're going to be moving along to remove that downpipe or that catalytic converter, and then keep it moving. Let's get it. All right, guys, so we got the cat out. Got the big cat out. Now we're taking off the sensors. And it's pretty simple. You just got the clamp this right there, and then these 2 mounting pieces right here that hold it. Of course, you got to remove the sensors from up there. They're a little tricky, so if you know what you're doing, you can get them out without taking the airbox out. But if you don't, then take the airbox out. I recommend it. So with that being said, let's put the new one on. Let's get it.
For me, right, body for me, what?
Car Guys Yoga. When you get out, I'm gonna do that video. Plugged in everything. Let's hear first startup. Closed?
Let me close the door.
All right, go ahead. Doesn't sound that much louder, does it?
When you're driving though, it's gonna, like I said, this is now it's in sport mode.
But the flop's not on.
Yeah. Now when it's on sport mode, that's when
It's on sport mode right now?
Yeah, right now. But I'll have to hold the brake.
Let me test that one thing. Make car guy gymnastics to the T when you own a i8 BMW. God damn it. Sheesh. Insane. Insane. Alright, flop's not opening. Everything's connected. This thing's beeping. But nothing's happening with the Valvetronic thingy. So either send us a new thing up here or give us our money back. All right, rev it again. All right, guys, so we got the entire under tray on. We got this piece on. You can see the exhaust. It's beautiful and it's sick. It sounds sick. So we're gonna test drive it and make sure she sounds good. Let's get it. Oh. Can't hear nothing. So electric mode, baby. Sheesh. Guys, that's how you install a high flow catalytic converter and exhaust, Valvetronic exhaust. Shout out to my boy, that shit sound good. We in there. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. Let's get it. All right, we're gonna go for a test drive on the i8 with the fresh exhaust. Let me hop in here. Sheesh. It's worse than the Lambos. You gotta be young in this month. Sport mode. Oh my god, bro. This don't sound good.
It's different.
Whoa, it's popping, bro. Yo. This thing sounds good. That joint popping. Nice. God. Heading out. Another happy customer. Let's get it.
I'm like, it's like
Exhaust?
Christmas for you.
Hell yeah, let's get
I'm
it.
gonna lie, this is the happiest I've been in a grip since I bought the car.
Hell yeah.